Okay, hello and good morning. Let's take a look here. I'm going to review some of this with you. It's on the EOC, so pay attention. Okay, watch. A translation is a slide. Okay, so according to this rule, you're going to go to the left 2. So all of your x's, you're going to put a -2. But your y's, you're going to put a 5. You're going to go up. Okay? So your new point here, A prime, is going to be -4 and up 9. B prime is going to be 4 and 0. And let's check this out. The original point is -2 up 4. That's the original point. But according to the rule, they want me to slide over 2 and then up 5. So the new point is right there. Let's see if it works. So -4, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's correct. And then up 9 is here. So there it is. We did it 2 ways. We did it by sliding it and then going up. And we did it by adding it to the x and to the y. Make sure you know both. So a translation is just a slide. All right, let's go on. If you reflect over the x-axis, you change the y. Write that down. Now let's say you don't know that. So watch. Graph it. So -2 up 4. There it is. There's your x-axis. So you go this way, 4. So you go this way, 4. There's your answer. Right there. Okay? So it's going to be -2 and then down 4. Okay, you change the y. All right, so B prime, you're going to reflect it over the x, so you change the y. So it's going to be 6 and 5. Watch again. This one you're reflecting over the y, so you change the x. So here you're going to change the x. So A prime is going to be 2 and 4, and B prime is going to be -6 and -5. You change the other one. So if it says reflect over the x, change the y. And if you forget that, just graph it. Okay? Real easy. All right, this one right here says rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise. Well, let's see what we have here. So the first point is -2, 1, 2, up, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's your first point, A. Copy that down. Now I want to go 90 degrees counterclockwise. Well, counterclockwise is this way. Put a dot on the origin and then make a line or a segment and then make 90 degrees. 90 degrees is going to look something like that. So now just take your pencil and draw like a circle. That will be your answer. So A prime should be right there. Now the rule says for this, and I looked on the board, it says change the y and switch. Now you were told you got to memorize this. So the original point was -2 and then up 4. So I'm going to change the y and switch it. So it's going to be -5 and then down 4. So -5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then down 4. And we'll make it work. Okay? There it is. So I did it without knowing the rule. I got pretty close. And then the rule is actually the best way. So the rules are up there. Memorize them for the EOC. If you want to compete with those honors kids and show that you're the best, which I know some of you are, memorize the rules. But if you forget, graph it. Now let's take a look here. Copy everything you see on a new sheet of paper. Today we're proving triangles are similar. If the triangles are similar, that little squiggly, the corresponding sides are proportional. They're not equal, but the angles are equal. Okay, the sides are proportional. Let me show you what I mean. Take a look here. Remember a long time ago I told you the key? The key is the first two is going to match up with the first two. It's kind of like if you're playing a basketball game or a football game. You're matching people up. I'll take him type of thing, okay? EF, and then AC is going to match up with DF. Remember we talked about that? Anyway, so those are the corresponding sides. The corresponding angles would be the first angle is congruent to the first angle. The second angle is congruent to the second angle. And then C is congruent to F. Okay? That's it. So it says prove that, or ways to prove triangles are similar. That little squiggly means similar. Now watch what you do here. On this one right here, you're going to break this up into two triangles. So draw this diagram right here. So put A, B, E, and then draw the big one. So this is A, C, D. So now we have this upper angle is equal to that one. A is equal to A. This is top. So that's actually corresponding. So this side must be parallel to that one. In any event, look at what's going on here. It says, let's see, these two triangles are similar by angle similarity. If you can prove two angles of one triangle equal to two angles of another triangle, then they are similar. The next way is side similarity. Now watch this one. Pay attention now. The pattern is the first two. Well, AB right here, AB is 3. And the first two would be DE. So DE, and let's see, I'm not sure how this went. Hang on. All right, so DE was this one, I think. So put DEF. Okay. So DE is this one. So AB matches DE. So put 4.5. And then BC is this one. So put 4. And BC matches EF. EF is 6. And then the first and the last is AC. So AC is 5. And then that matches DF. So DF is 7.5. So put 7.5. Okay, so I matched up the sides. And notice I went from the small triangle at the top to the big triangle at the bottom. So you get your calculator. All of these must be equal scale factor. So you take 3 divided by 4.5, you get 0.6. Here you take 4 divided by 6, and you get 0.6. And then here you take 5 divided by 7.5, and you get 0.6. Since all the sides have the same scale factor, they are similar. And that is by side similarity. Okay? Last one. Draw example 2. And actually, there's a few more. This one is telling you they're similar. So all you do is match up and make a proportion. So you do the flat over the flat. So 5 over 40 is equal to the vertical over the vertical. Notice my arrows are going in the same direction. So 6 over x. Then you cross multiply. So you're going to get 5x is equal to 40 times 6, whatever that is. You're going to divide by 5. So 5 goes into 40 8 times. 6 times 8 is 48. So it should be 48. You can use your calculator. Draw this diagram. It says, are these side angle side similarity? Well, in order to be side angle side, you would need this one. You see, look, side angle side. Okay? The angle would have to be equal and the sides would have to be proportional or the same scale factor. What they have is angle side side, and there's no such thing. So this is no. And the reason why is because this angle has to be in the middle of the two sides, not over here. Okay? All right, and finally this one, are they similar? Well, remember I told you if they don't tell you all the sides, or angles rather, take 180, which is every triangle. So take 180 minus 85 minus 55, and you get 40. So now, look at what you have. You have this angle right here, 40 equal to 40, check. And you have 85 equal to 85, check. So the answer is yes, they are similar by angle-angle similarity. Remember, if you can show two angles equal, it's angle-angle similarity. Here's your work for today. So go ahead and get started on this right here. Don't waste class time. All right, and make sure you turn your homework in. There's no late work. Have a good morning.